Hello creative kids, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to draw a cute Thanksgiving turkey. Also, while making this video, I have made several mistakes, and I would like to use that to show you how easy it is to correct your mistakes when drawing. I bet this is going to be a useful video. Grab your paper, pencils, and crayons, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found all the corn. Happy drawing, and gobble gobble. Start with a simple semicircle for the turkey's head. Draw it at the top center of your paper, with the flat part at the bottom. This will be the main outline of the head. Add fluffy cheeks. Draw two large round eyes just above the cheeks. Make them big and sparkly to give the turkey a friendly, cartoonish look. Right in the middle below the eyes, draw a small curved line in a triangular shape for the beak, pointing downward. The beak should be centered between the cheeks. Add a curvy shape coming down from one side of the beak. This is called the snood, and it gives your turkey some extra character. Make it look a bit like a wavy line or teardrop shape. Did you know that a turkey's gobble can be heard up to a mile away? Only the male turkeys, called gobblers, make this sound to show off or call to their friends. Add the details for our little friend to represent the feathers. Use your imagination and be creative. To complete the Thanksgiving look, add a pilgrim hat on top of the turkey's head. Draw a rectangle with a rounded top and a little buckle in the middle. Okay kids, pay attention for a second, as we have reached the point where I have made a mistake. I forgot to add the turkey's tail, so I had to go back and add it. It didn't turn out perfect as I was in a hurry, as I have already started to add the color for the wings. Instead of taking the time to do it perfect, I have rushed and draw a circle at the back of the turkey. That's okay if you're using pencils, but with liners, well, it can't be erased. Here's a little trick. Grab a thicker marker and go over the outline carefully. By making the lines thicker, you can mask those extra lines and make it look super neat. Mistakes can always be fixed, and sometimes they make our art even better. So, let's grab our markers and turn this oops into something awesome. Let me know in the comment if you find this trick useful. Also, have you spotted all the corns? Add that to the comments as well. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.